In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a fully automated Pinterest money-making machine. Ideal if you're into affiliate marketing, you want to have more backlinks to your website, you want to improve your website's traffic or your clients' traffic, and it's really, really, really simple to do. And it's not just theory. I'm going to take you through and show you the exact automation we've built so you can run it 24/7 on autopilot. And what's exciting about this, it combines the power of AI content creation with Pinterest's massive traffic potential. Let me show you how this works. First, let's talk about what we're building here. This automation does three things. It generates unique content ideas. So you put in a keyword and it will come up with long tail keywords. And based on that, it will create images. And the images look something like this, or this, or this, or this. You could have it looking however you want. Just prompt it at the front end one time. And then I will show you in the second part of the automation how to post this automatically to Pinterest. And here's the beautiful part. Once you've set it, just let it run on autopilot. No more spending hours creating pins, writing descriptions, or manually posting content. So let me break down the workflow. It starts with an Airtable as a foundation. Let me just show you. In Airtable, we've got three tabs. The first being where you put your keyword in. So we're going to put our keyword in here. If you don't know what Airtable is like Google Sheets, but then on steroids, because it has the option within Airtable itself to trigger. It can send the content off to an automation system that we're using. We're using Make.com, a really simple automation system, and that looks something like this. I will get to that in a minute. Let me first show you the automation. So I'm going to put in my keyword. As soon as I hit create pin, so I need to check it manually. We put in a manual step because you could use this sheet to generate ideas for yourself. So you put in your 100, your 1,000, your 100,000, your million keywords. You just hit create. You could bulk create as well. So you just select them all and you go poof, and it will bulk create at scale. I'm going to put my keyword in. What should we do? I'm going to do minimal kitchen design. I'm going to hit enter. Now we've built in the ability to have, because it is a tool for making money online. So we've put in a whole list of affiliate tools. We're calling it affiliate tools, but you could also use it to link to your website. So if we're creating a link to, let me just have a look at what this one is. This is our marketplace where we sell our automations. We could link straight onto that if we want to get more traffic going to that page. So we could have images that correspond to whatever we are doing. We're not doing kitchen design, but this is just an example. But I could have it linked straight to that one. So how I do that is I go back to my keyword, and what's the affiliate link going to be? So I could have it go to my website page, the one that I just referred to, or I could also have it go to an external one. So let's say Make.com. Yes, we're affiliated with them. So if someone were to hit this pin within Pinterest, they would be sent off to Make.com. If they would create an account there and they would start paying for it, we get a small fee on it, affiliate marketing. Really simple concept. So what happens after this? I'm just going to change this Make.com to, let me just say, our website, and then I'm going to say create pin. Now what is happening now is that this first automation is being triggered. So it's running this automation in the background because I've said create pin. So what's happening now? Oh, you can see it's actually making long tail keywords. So if I go to the long tail keyword tab, you will see it's got a keyword, it's got a long tail keyword, it's created an image. Let's just have a look at the image. That's quite cool. It's made a description. I'm just going to scroll to the side. It's made the URL, so it's linking back to that marketplace, just as an example. Put whatever you want in there. And it also does it with the Leonardo and it does it with DALL-E at the same time. So you can sort of compare what the two are doing. Add your own generative AI in there in the automation if you want. By the way, if you want to get hold of this automation, just comment the word Pinterest down below. And within 15 minutes, we'll reply to your comment and we'll send you the link straight off to our community where you can get this automation. in our community, there's loads of like-minded people who want to make money online or want to learn automation. That's what our community is about. And yes, we are new, and yes, we are growing, and we'd love to have you part of our community. Let me approve one of them. So what happens, I'm going to say this first one generated with, what was it, Leonardo. I'm going to say I like that one. I don't like that one, the one with DALL-E. Let me have a look at this one. Sorry, let me just have a look at this one. That's quite a cool image as well. I'd like to have that one. I'm going to approve it, and then it will automatically post it to my Pinterest account. And for this purpose, we've just set up a demo account. There's nothing in there right now, so it should be posting in the background. I'm just going to refresh the page. And there you go. It's posted those two straight to Pinterest, including my affiliate link. So let me open it. It says Modern Minimal Kitchen Design on a budget. So it's created a title. And there's our website. So this would mean that if someone were to click, they'd see this picture. And again, we're not into kitchen design. This is purely hypothetical. So what happens on their phone, most people will be just scrolling around on their phone. They'll see a cool image and then they click on it and they'll go to that website, the affiliate link, or whatever link you put on the background of it. Pinterest is a goldmine at the moment, so take advantage of it. If you've liked this video so far, please give it a like and subscribe, because I really like making videos like this about making money online and AI automation, and it really motivates me to make more content like this. Let's get back to the build. So I'm going to take you through the steps that we need to do. This whole build is made in Make.com, like I said earlier. If you don't have a Make.com account, there should be a link down below. Yes, we're affiliated with them. As you can see, our whole build is consisting of two scenarios. We've made this in Make.com. You can download this in our school community, like I said earlier. So the first one is creating a pin. So remember what I showed you in the first step here. This is creating the pin. So as soon as I say create pin, it triggers this first part of the automation. So it's watching that Airtable, this Airtable we have here, and then it will start running this whole sequence. So I put my keyword in, and then it will send it off and it will turn it into a long tail keyword generator, which we've prompted with the latest model 4.0 ChatGPT. It says output JSON array. Don't worry, this isn't very hard. This is all included in our download. So it will make loads and loads of keywords. It will split them up, so it will make it into JSON, which is sort of like a gibberish language. I can't read JSON. I don't know if anyone can. There's no need to, because we're using a no-code tool. So it splits all that content back into, it splits it up into structured data. So it can say for keyword one or long tail keyword one, there we go. It's grabbing that first keyword and it's saying output the result as a JSON again. And then it's going to create a description. So it's using ChatGPT again. I'll show you all the fields. We've got the temperature set up to 1.4. That means every time it creates a description, it will vary quite a bit. You could use one, it would always be sort of like a neutral version of it. So we put it up to 1.4 just to give it a bit more variation when posting. After that, it will grab the description and the keyword, I think. After that, it's going to make a prompt to be able to prompt. You are a Leonardo.AI image prompt generator, and you'll create a prompt for Pinterest pins, and it will grab the description from here. So from the module before, it will grab the content from here. So the description generated by AI, and based on that description, it's going to make an image prompt to be able to prompt Leonardo or ChatGPT. And then Leonardo, we like Leonardo. It's a cool platform. So there's DALL-E and Midjourney and all the other ones, Flux. These are ones that are just easily integrated into your build. So let me just have a look. In Leonardo, the only thing that we are telling Leonardo to do is no text, no logos. Quite an important one. After that, it just posts it back to your Airtable. So when I hit that first initial checkbox, that would be this one here, it will go run through that automation. Everything's done, and it will post it into your long tail keyword sheet. It will post it straight into your long tail keywords sheet. So you'll see all all the ones that we just approved. It'll just keep generating them. And yes, you can put this on like only do 5, only do 2, whatever you want. I'm going to approve a couple more in the meantime so we can see that they all get posted straight into our Pinterest account. Now, I'm going to take you through the last part of the automation. That's just grabbing that content so that, again, that checkbox that I've just switched on here, I've said approve, approve. It will go into this last part of the automation, and we've simply connected our Pinterest account on the end, and it will post the image URL to which board. We said David's board. Again, just the text. It capitalizes the long tail keyword, puts a description in, and it puts an alt text in and a link. This is the important one, puts a link to our affiliate. You could expand on this however you want. We're just showing you the basics on how you can get leads to your website, more traffic to your website, start affiliate marketing on full autopilot. Look, if you like this kind of automations and you want to see more of this, please like and subscribe and consider joining our school community. I'd love to see you in there. And until next time, bye-bye.